We are now going to solve proportions. So suppose we have the ratio x plus 3 over x equals the ratio x over x plus 6. If I see this and I want to solve it, the easiest way to solve proportions is to use what we call cross multiplication. We're going to cross multiply. And we do that if we have a over b equals c over d. We can do that by multiplying the b up to that side and the d up to that side and getting AD equals BC. And we can only do this if we have ratios or rates. If we have a plus sign and something else over here, then we can't do it. So if those are missing, then we can do it, which is what we have here. So we're going to take our x and we're going to multiply it up. And we're going to take our x plus 6 and we'll multiply it up. So we end up with x plus 3 times x plus 6 equals x times x. Multiply this out. X squared plus 6x plus 3x plus 18 equals x squared. So x squared plus 9x plus 18 equals x squared. As always, we want to get a 0 on the right, so we'll subtract an x squared from both sides. That leaves us with 9x plus 18 equals 0. Solving for x, we subtract 18 from both sides. So 9x equals negative 18. We divide by 9, and we get x is negative 2. We want to double check this real quick, so we plug negative 2 in. Negative 2 plus 3 over negative 2, does that in fact equal negative 2 over negative 2 plus 6? So we have positive 1 over negative 2 equals negative 2 over positive 4, which reduces to negative 1/2. I have negative 1/2 on the left, negative 1/2 on the right, so my answer does in fact work. And so as long as we remember to multiply the denominator from the left up to the right and the denominator from the right up to the left and then solve it like a normal problem, we will get our correct answer.